Sister Rita Marlin say, hey.
Hey, brother man, hey, what you say? Give me some of you. Hey, Rasta man, hey, what you say?
That's a ganja. Everybody, Bob Marley with us. Listen. A ganja segment this year, Bob Marley Arena, Advocate of Ganja, all ganja people. What an amount!
Finally the herbs come around. The eye creep with me and look for me get it on the ground, yeah. Sweet sensei come around. Me a take a little jar and pass it around. So finally the herbs come around.
Lord of His mercy, what an amount! Driver! Little food they all come back quick.
Eternal Father, bless our land. Guard us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil part. Be your light through countless storms. To all leaders, great defender, grant true wisdom from above. Justice, truth, be yours forever. Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica, land we love. Teach us true respect for all. Stir response to duty's call. Strengthen us the weak to cherish. Give us vision lest we perish. Knowledge send us, Heavenly Father, grant true wisdom from above. Justice, truth, be yours forever. Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica, 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 land we love.
Give it up for saying right. Come on, make some noise.
Memories of home. And this is the original beat, also from Rasta Village Live, where we combine two different sets of drums. Yes, the Nyabingi and the Communal drum. And we call it Nyako. Knock TV, we say. Rasta Village live. Yes, I. Hard and tough. We unconquerable now. Solid iron. Iron and no sponge. Hard iron. Of tough iron. Rockable. Lightning, flashing, striking. Burning, blazing, raging. One Knock TV. Big up.
Beautiful, thank you, ladies. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome on stage our MC for the night, Sister Mitzi Williams of the Bob Marley Foundation. Greetings, 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 everyone. How you full enjoying yourself so far? Yes, we give thanks to be here. This is number 56 Hope Road. It was the home of Bob Marley and it is now the home of the Bob Marley Museum. And this evening we have a very special program that we're going to continue with. Next year we're going to be having the 2017 show, the concert Smile Jamaica, and we're going to be launching that this evening. And we're also going to be having a very special Smile Jamaica concert celebration that is going to be coming up with a lineup of great artists. I want to say first of all that we're going to invoke the presence of all of our ancestors and of course the presence of Robert Nesta Marley by saying greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, Jah! Ever living, ever faithful, ever sure. So we want to say that this evening we're going to be having a number of artists on stage later on. And as I said before, we're going to be inviting all the partners of the 2017 Smile Jamaica concert to come and tell us what that is going to be about. I want to say thanks to our DJ Rassarella who's been keeping us entertained all evening. I want to say thanks to Sasha Payne. Has anybody seen the lovely Sasha Payne? You know Sasha Payne? Well, she's the daughter of Stephen Marley. She was on stage. She was on Smile Jamaica this morning, spinning music. Nobody saw Sasha? You're going to see her later on. She's a beautiful young lady. So before, all right. So we're ready now. We're going to invite our first performer on stage, and he is the brother of Charlie Chaplin. He's just coming off a European tour. And he's also seen regularly in the Bob Marley Museum and Tuff Gong because he works with the Bob Marley and Bob Marley Museum and Tuff Gong as one of our great guides. He has been in the music business for almost 30 years. I want you, 56 Hope Road, to give a warm welcome to Ricky Chaplin. He's the brother of Charlie Chaplin. Let's welcome Ricky on stage.
Yeah. Yeah, man. How you feeling? Come on, guys. How you feeling? Well, first, we have to give thanks unto His Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I. Yeah, man. He's the King of all kings and Lord of all lords. He's a conquering lion of the tribe of Judah, elect of God, earth living God, earth rightful ruler. In light of this world and defender of all human race. Jah. Jah. Well, a while ago, I watched a film, the documents of Bob Marley, the Smile Jamaica and the interview, and every time I watch it, a little bit of water, enough water run over here, so. Now, I don't want to think this show is a joke, that because I hear them Smile Jamaica, very serious show. So, ladies and gentlemen, watch on the man, Rasta. Rassarella, I want to name, catch them. All that they have done to Rastafari. Just help me when I say catch them. Jaja, catch them. You say, oh, catch them. Alright? What do you say? Love you know. And I must greet them in a Bob Marley family name because them great, them blessed. Yeah, man, and greet every one of the team, hard-working team that can get this thing together. Come Rassarella, enough artists. Catch them, Jaja, for the wrongs that they have done. Hold them, Jaja. Listen. Catch them, Jaja, catch them. Jaja, hold them, Jaja, hold them. Jaja, me say, catch them, Jaja. Mighty Jaja, hold them, Jaja, hold them. Listen, every day them fighting, they one another. Every day them killing the poor man, sucking blood from the poor sufferers, killing off the people and destroying the land. Jaja, hold them, Jaja, hold them. Mighty Jaja, catch them, Jaja, catch them. Jah, beat them, Jaja, beat them. Mighty Jaja, hold them, Jaja, hold them. Telling lies to the people, preaching hypocrisy, robbing the food from the hungry, giving the greedy, sucking blood every day, like there are a vampire, killing the people and destroying the land. Jaja, hold them, Jaja, hold them. Mighty Jaja, catch them, Jaja, catch them. See the whip, yeah? Jaja, beat them, Jaja, beat them. Mighty Jaja, hold them, Rasta, hold them. You know what we're going to hold them with now? Beat them with the rod of correction. Beat them with the lightning and thunder. Beat them with fire and brimstone. Melt out the wicked heart. Trample them, Jaja, trample them. Mighty Jaja, beat them, Jaja, beat them. Jaja, 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 hold them, Jaja, hold them. Come on, people. I want to sing with me. Beat them, Jaja, beat them. Pull up and give me the next track. Yeah, man, cause enough artists will not waste no time. One is little Rassarella. You see that one here? That one here for Africa. And me no want to be a little prejudice artist, me alone do me thing. And we are who go and go do we thing. Alright? When me say one, we no said love. One! One! When I said Bob, you said Marley. Bob! Bob! When I said Ira, you said yeah man. Ira! Well, watch you know, that one named Africa. So listen to that one, help me with that one, people. Simple. Africa is the highest region. And Africa is the center of the universe. What me I talk about? When we say talking about, you must say Africa. I'm talking about we. Hey, hey, I'm talking about we. Mama, 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 mama. Talking about sweet, sweet Africa. Listen, Africa is the highest region. Africa, I saw it in my vision. Africa, I read it in Revelation. Africa is where I found my salvation. I'm talking about. Come on, people, sing Africa with me. I'm talking about sweet. Come on, and I hear you. Hey, hey, what we are talking about? Talking about. Mama, 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 mama. Talking about. Hey, hey, listen where I'm taking from. They took us away from captivity and brought I and I down here in slavery. Mama, sometimes we hungry, no food in my belly, but me whole and strong, and the Almighty. I'm talking about mama. I'm talking about sweet, sweet Africa. I'm talking about, come on, people. Hey, I'm talking about sweet, 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 sweet. Listen, I see all things and I feel all pain. I watch the mother who working in the field, sun at the baby strap, who way down to their back. The man in the cane field, working very hard. Africa is where I and I ancestors live on. Africa, the center of the universe. Africa, I want you on the ball of Africa. All over, talking about Africa. Come on, sir. Hey, I'm talking about Africa. Mama. Talking about Africa. Pull up, next track and done right. That's enough artists there. We don't roll up on stage show. Yeah. Well, I want ya. Guess what we're gonna sing for now, one ya? You all want to know this. This is all for this album of the Exodus. It is One Love. One. Come on, everybody. One. Let's get together and I want to hear you sing. One. Everyone ready? One. Dance and praise to the Lord, and I will emancipate ourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. Have a paper, atomic, energy, and none of them can stop the time. Oh, long time them kill our prophet while we stand aside and look. Yes, some say it just a part of it. We got to fulfill the book. Everybody sing. One. Give thanks, people, and enjoy Jah Rastafari live.
So proud, give it up for Little Chaplain, please. We were off to a late start this evening, but guess what? When our performers come on stage, we need to give them some love. All right? Yeah, man, we need to show them some love, man. Make them know so we appreciate of what them doing up here. It was 40 years ago, and I can tell you, it was such a ireful moment. I can remember that moment like it was yesterday, to be honest with you, because remember today, the 3rd of December, is the 40th anniversary since the ambush in the night. And they thought that they could have conquered Bob Marley, right? When we heard, I know there was sounds all over the place, the Rastaman them saying, no weapon formed against Bob Marley can prosper. The king have to live. So there was so much prayers going up for him. Man saying unrighteous can't conquer righteous. A man saying we have to stay confident in the victory of good over evil. So we walked and we took the bus and we drove and we rode our bicycles and we made our way to the National Heroes Park. And we waited. Can you imagine over 80,000 people? Just imagine over 80,000 people in one place waiting for the gong to come on stage. And then we heard the famous words of His Imperial Majesty coming through the microphone, that until the philosophy that holds one race superior and another inferior, until the color of a man's skin is of no more significance than the color of his eyes, until the basic human rights that are equally guaranteed to all without regard to race. Until all this happens, anything that we're looking for will just be a fleeting illusion to be pursued but never attained. That's the song War that Bob took the stage with. And the place went up, chalice went up, the smoke, the place was full of smoke. So let us give a round of applause to a victorious lion that went on stage 40 years ago in the National Hero Circle. Let's give it up for the Honorable Robert Nesta Marley. So the band on the stand here that is warming up now, this is a band that they hail from the east. And I've watched these brethren, they are my brethren to be honest with you. And I've watched these brethren. And this beautiful lady here, let me tell you, when I saw her perform first, I'm saying, wow, this is such a wonderful addition to this band. So, we're getting ready to welcome the band from the east, the band that gave us songs like Skyfire, the band that gave us songs like The Brightest Light Shines from the East. Let us hear it, 56 Hope Road for the Uprising Roots Band.
Smile Jamaica. Bob Marley Museum, are you ready? You're in tune to the Uprising Roots. Wow, reggae. Glorious is I, that walketh not in the counsel of the unholy, nor standeth in the ways of sinners, nor sitteth in the seat of the scornful. I light is in the law of the Most High, and in His law doeth I meditate day and night. I should be like the tree planted by the rivers of water. Nearly I, Selassie I the first. Whatsoever the uprising roots do, it shall prosper. The unholy are not so, but are like the sharp which the wind drive it away. Therefore the unholy shall not stand in the judgment, nor sinners in the congregation of the righteous. For the Most High, I am not the way of the righteous, but the way of the unholy shall perish. Yeah! Rastafari.
Ungrateful to roots rocking music.
preach a while ago, you know. I'll tell you something. You know what is Jamaica problem? Bad mind and corrupt. The same time we get rid of bad mind and corrupt business out of Jamaica. This will be a better country. This is the stage of the world. If you want to believe, yes or no. Jamaica is the stage of the entire world. See? Listen to this song. It's called Warmongers.
Selassie, this is Black Kush from the Uprising Roots, and we're live here in Bob Marley Museum. And you don't know, it's all the rock, one knock, non-stop, you know it go. #1 station in the universe. Stretch down, you keep on rocking. One knock, you keep the world rocking now. Peace out, Black Kush.
Yeah. So what I did, I just followed the same route. I just made a song because I believe love is lost right now. All the girls I'm hearing, all these different things, but it's just one thing. You get me? Your final destination. Oh, and baby, I can see your love dedication. Oh, yes, I got dedication. My heart, it gives no hesitation. You know, I see it, I really, really see you want it. I know you want it. Baby, can I be your final destination? Oh, and baby, I can see your lovely elevation. Oh, yes, I got dedication. My heart, it beats now, it beats fast, so listen, it beats now. Alright, she want the love in you for sure. She says she needs a man, a rasta man to keep it pure. She don't want the he said, she said, me just chilling by the shores. She says she want the love in just her ooze, out of her pores. A little red wine and some fruit as she did it. She a tell me about the nightmares that she have with her friend. I'ma tell her so I'm ready. Oh, me and you know I'm ready, now I'm ready, girl. Oh, can I be your destination? Oh, and pretty I can see your love dedication. But I got dedication. Oh, yeah, I got God's salvation. She wanna shine, boom, best of that flame on, you know, fantastic. Sit down, say the moon, everything on troopers and cat planet. It's magic, no panic, and we're attracted like magnets. Yeah, and I said, what's in your eye? I give my all, and once in love, you'll never fall. No, you'll never fall. Oh, yeah, I'll do right. So baby, can I be your final destination? Baby, yeah, I can see your love in me, some elevation. I got the patience, no hesitation. I got this love for you, my girl. Just give me the love, just give me the love. Just give me, oh, I said give me your love, give me your love, give me your why everybody knows that pull up the dance? But I want to see them slaughter them. I want to see where I take care and I look after them. That is what we stand for, love. From me love the daughter, them make some noise to them, please. Them bring forth life. They're a dimension, they're a universe in themselves. What to tell you? I'm blazing up the sense in me, yeah. Just me and the herb, early in the morning. Me and the herb, when the sun gone, me and the herb. So you scrub on your nerves. Just me and the herb, early in the dawn. Me and the herb, when the sun gone. I said, I always will believe it. The herb I will be steaming. I never will believe it.
no reggae, no reggae, no. I say, you say, come here, so where you say? That's what I'm talking about. I say, on, no. Watch Jamaica, the message performing for you. I go by the name Black Hero. This is the reggae soul man. And forever we're gonna catch fire for mommy. Don't test me. Is there any politician coming here? Anybody but ready right now, right now, right now. You see me? So let's get now.
Just we and the herb, one knock I say. We and the herb, yo, bless up to one knock, you know. Right now we're there at Bob Marley Museum, man. Yo, I felt good performing. It felt like I was having fun with the crowd. And one knock there, so I'm going to show the other thing they go on. It's always anything with Bob Marley, I'm there, because he has inspired me to our next level. So we just want to continue the energy and the fire and the inspiration and do my part in the thing, you see me? So, yeah, man, one knock, you don't know. Black Key represent Pussy.